Hi, I'm John,
Hey, I'm Mike.
Hey, I'm Nikhil.
and we are the co founders of the Breaking Breadboards group in Brighton. And today, with my fellow co founders, I wanted to share something around why we created the group. So let me turn to you, Mike, because you vocalized this first of what this idea is. What on earth were you thinking about?
Yeah, it's a good question. So I think I started going to groups in Brighton quite a long while before. We're very blessed here to have kind of, I think there's over 30 groups now, but they tend to be, I think one thing that's very apparent if you go to enough of them is they're all software related. Which I think tends to be the skew generally with a lot of groups and things here in the city. So, yeah, one thing I noticed, however, was at these software groups is there are a lot of people mentioning hardware. And so it's kind of like adding two and two and getting five. It's like, why isn't there a group for the hardware community? There were a lot of people that I was speaking to that have Raspberry Pis or different microcontrollers, and they'd tell me about different projects. As soon as I mentioned that I was a bit of a tinkerer, they'd immediately launch into, oh, I have this project that I'm working on, and things like this. So that kind of sparked the initial idea to there's definitely a gap here. There's a community in Brighton that can be served here. And then I think, I was introduced to yourself, John, through a different event, and exactly the same thing. I thought here's someone that's showcasing a project that they're very knowledgeable about, very passionate about. Um, but there's we can take these people and we can really kind of start something off the back of it. So
And I agree so much. The fun of making things that touch hardware, making things that move, making things that affect the real world is really cool. And it's what I do. For my hobby and indeed my business. And a great opportunity for us to find people to collaborate on some of those bigger projects under our Breaking Breadboards theme. Nickel, it was about this time that we sort of pulled you in as well because we came across you from the other groups in the Brighton area. And I know you're incredibly passionate about this whole enabling people into this hobby and getting them in there. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Sure, absolutely. So yeah, like you said, I mean, I've been already, I was already going to a bunch of these Silicon Brighton events, simply because the building where I rented an office, they used to have a bunch of these events downstairs. So sometimes when I was leaving office, I would just walk into these and eat the pizza and just join the event. So yeah, it used to be fun, and then I started finding out about all these other groups. And like you said, I mean, we're really blessed to have all of these interesting technology groups already here in Brighton. The thing with electronics and embedded electronics and things like that is that there's few people who are doing this for a living. So if you ask around on the Silicon Brighton, or if you ask around at one of these events, very few people are going to say that that's what they do, because with the software, JavaScript and things like that, JavaScript or Python or whatever, that's what people will say, that's what they do for a living. So it was so even though there are a whole lot of people around here who are into this kind of thing, they were initially hard to spot. But it was really cool, because when John introduced himself on the Silicon Brighton Slack, he mentioned that he was into Raspberry Pi Pico and doing these online courses. And because that's what John does for a living as well, like he mentioned. So yeah, so I got in touch right there. And yeah, and I think that's when I got pulled into this whole group. And yeah, which is really good, because I have been contributing to open source projects which are somewhat relevant to makers. And I really wanted to kind of jump into actually meeting people who might be using something like that, or who might be doing similar things, because it is really cool. But I so far I had not met such a large group of people in real life.
So come join us at Breaking Breadboards, and you can, share your projects and find out more about some of ours and have some fun. So Breaking Breadboards, it's where hardware meets software.